Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of output on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve output on CapCut, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on CapCut and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.